So every person can establish difference-making influence with 2 confrontations with words. So here we go, words of truth. So Jesus said, "You have made my house a den of robbers." And then number 2 is words of restoration. This could be a house of prayers. So they're married together, the confrontation, the words of truth, and the words of restoration. We need to present both to people.
Yeah, what it could be. I want to say, emphasize that. What it could be. Confrontation has truth, and then it paints a picture of what could be. It's a den of thieves now. It could be a house of prayer. In honesty, confrontation rarely works at the beginning. But don't ever underestimate how much God will hang people on your words. Let that happen. Never just go, oh, they're so angry. This is the worst thing I ever could have done. No, let them hang on your words. If it's love, you've prayed about it, and the intent is to make their life situation better. So if you make the life situation better, they're going to have to make their heart change to make that happen. But if they see that the situation, that there's a problem there, and it's been confronted, and then you tell them what this could be, that gives them some direction. That gives them some picture to why I must change behaviors, or why I must really get on this thing in my life and bring it before God and let God bring some change to me. Gracious and merciful and full of faith. The faith is a very important thing for the thing that's wrong. The truth about what something could be is inspirational and powerful. It hangs on people. Let God work upon people's hearts. I believe that confrontation with the truth and what could be is one of the most important ways to begin a difference-making journey with people. Whether you want to believe it or not, a confrontation is an important skill to learn as a difference maker. Jesus teaches us that both our actions and our words have to agree with our confrontation message, that our words should reflect the truth of the situation, not the judgment of a person's heart. Our words also must give people a picture of what their life could be if they gave their heart completely over to God. Lastly, never look for instant heart change. Leave people the room to be hung on Christ's heart for them. That could be story. Be faithful to remind them of what they could be. Not for you, not for your benefit. See, these principles can be used on anybody, on your mate, on your job, on your any life situation, but you can't do it out of the heart for your benefit, even though it may benefit you. But because of this reason, because that person is loved by God.